Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so today is that time of the month. It is time for me to give you my thoughts and opinions on Ipsy's May bag. Now I did get 6 items. One of those was got with my Ipsy points, so I will show you that at the end. I will show you the first 5 that Ipsy sent to me. So first of all, the bag. I think it's cute. I really do like it. I love the color. The only thing I don't like is the glitter on it. Now, when I seen pictures of it, you know, the pictures before, it kind of looked like, I don't know how to explain it, like a corduroy type material. I don't know. And I was really looking forward to that. And then it come like this, and it's got the chunky glitter on it. It just gets all over my hands and all over my face because I put makeup in these bags. So the bag, you know, it's kind of iffy. I mean, it's cute. I like it. And it's adorable. It's beautiful. But I just don't like the glitter. I don't like the loose glitter like that. It should have had some kind of a coating or cover on it. Alright, guys. So the first thing that I got was this dual-ended brush. It is Farrah brushes. And this is the 22E Shade and Blend brush. Now, this side is, I usually just use for my crease and to darken up that outer V, and then this one I usually use on my lower lash line. I love this side of the brush. This side, not so much. And this is the first time I've got a brush from Ipsy that I didn't like. You know, I like one end of it, so I don't even know if that counts. But this is just a little bit too firm for me. Now, I do like some brushes that are firm, and I do love brushes that are extremely soft, that have a lot of give to them. But this one is just, there's something about it that it just don't work for me. It's not picking up product like it's supposed to. And it definitely, I mean, it blends them out, but it's not doing what I want it to do. So I enjoyed half of this brush. The next thing is the Pixi by Petra. This is the H2O Skin Drink Pure Hydration Gel. This I am obsessed with. I love this stuff. I want a full-size bottle. I want them to send me one of these every month. I am just obsessed. I love this. It feels like a primer. It feels very hydrating, and it makes my skin just feel so buttery soft. I just absolutely love it. I have been using this before my makeup application. Just love, 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 love. So the next thing is the Nature's Cartel. Now this is the multi-purpose stick, Global Awakening. I like it, and I don't like it. I get the concept of these multi-purpose sticks, but in truth, you're not going to use this stick for everything. I mean, maybe some people do. It's just not my thing. And the highlighter is just a tad bit too dark on my skin, and if you put it over your foundation, it is definitely going to remove some of it. Now, using it for a lippy, I have not done that yet. That might be the thing to do with this. Not sure. So that one, you know, I'd pass on that one. The next thing that I got was the Blossom Single Eyeshadow, and this is in Dusty Miller. So this is like a really dark charcoal gray. I do love it. I think it makes a beautiful smoky eye. Now, when I first seen this, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not going to like this, because I have got another one like this in the past, and it just wasn't as pigmented as what I wanted it to be. It just didn't perform. It didn't stay on the eye for too long at all. This one actually surprised me. I really do like this. I love the shade. I love the wear time. It was just fine. I mean, it's not like it's going to be an all-day wear, but it did its job. Next thing that I got, guys, this is the Beauty Crop Bronzer, and this is in Sardinia Sand. This one is, I think there was 2 shades that they put out for this, and this is the lightest shade. This, I think, is absolutely beautiful, and I can use it for contour or bronzer, because I am more of a contour and bronzer. You know, some people like to just bronze. Me, I like to do them both. I go all out just to stay around the house, and, you know, that's just my thing. But I do enjoy this. I think it blended out very well. I believe the color just goes with my skin tone beautifully, and it's just an amazing bronzer. I love it, and I can see myself reaching for this on the daily. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the last item, and again, this was bought with my Ipsy points, so this didn't actually come with my monthly subscription. And again, guys, I'm obsessed. Now, this is the Evelyn Iona. I believe that's how you say that. I probably butchered it, because like, I just can't pronounce words for hell. So anyways, this is the Green Tea Primer Prep and Protect Vegan Primer. Again, obsessed. I love it. It does have a bit of a mattifying sense to it, but it's still hydrating all at the same time. I don't know how that's possible, but it is. I absolutely love it. It's not really strongly fragranced, but it does have a fresh scent. So this right here, I'm so glad I picked this. Seems like a little bit goes such a long way. As far as it prolonging my makeup, haven't really noticed that because I don't keep my makeup on that long, maybe 8 hours tops. But you know, I don't mind. I don't never go anywhere anyways. So this really serves its purpose in my makeup routine. Right, guys, that is it for the review. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check them out for yourself. They are $10 a month and you will get 5 deluxe sample sized items. They do have an upgrade option. It is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now in that box, you will get 5 full size products for $25. I don't know, did I tell you the standard box is just 10? Definitely worth it. I mean, $10 a month, you get to try out 5 different products. So I think it's a really good deal. Again, they will be linked below if you want to go check them out. Also, guys, go ahead and make sure your notification bell is turned on. That way you never miss any video that I upload. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. As long as YouTube sees you're watching, that's all that counts, guys. And one more thing before you guys go. Hit that subscribe button. You know you want to do it. Go ahead. It's free. It's a gift from me to you. Take it. Take it. Take it. Hit that button and join my Glow Tart family. And we would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.